Hello children, welcome back to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijay Lakshmi, your maths teacher. So in the last class we have learned how to subtract 3-digit numbers by regrouping of tens, isn't it? So today we will learn how to subtract 3-digit numbers by regrouping of hundreds and tens also. Okay, are you practicing the subtraction problems? You should do that because only practice will improve your maths. Okay, so shall we start? Now first let us subtract the number 178 from the number 436. Okay, so you already know that we start from the ones place. So you can see what are the digits in the ones place? 6 and 8. And you have to subtract from 6, 8. Now from 6 can you take away 8? No. So you have to regroup the digit in the tens place. So you have to take away 1 10. So from 3 tens you take away 1 10. How many tens are left? 2. So you take away 1 10 and that 10 plus 6 will give you 16. Okay. Now you have to subtract from 16 8. Okay. Now subtract. How will you subtract? By counting backward. From 16 count backward 8 digits. So these are the 8 fingers which I have. Count backward from 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. So 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Now we have to subtract the digits in the tens place. What are the digits here? 2 and 7. From 2 can you subtract 7? No. So what will we do? Again we have to regroup the digit in the hundreds place. Okay. So what is the digit in the hundreds place? 4. So from 400s you are giving away 100 to the digit in the tens place. So from 4 you take away 100. You will have 300s here. And 100 plus 2 tens will give you 12 tens, isn't it? So you have 12 tens here. Now from 12 tens subtract 7 tens. Yes, what is 12 minus 7? Count backward 7 digits. So you have 7 fingers here. Count backwards 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. So 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Now let us subtract the digits in the hundreds place. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Now let us subtract the second number here. Once again. So again here the digit in the ones place is 4 and 9. Now from 4 you cannot subtract 9. So you have to regroup the digit in the tens place. So from 6 you take away 1 10, you have 5 tens left. And that 10 plus 4 will give you 14. Okay. Now from 14 you have to take away 9. Count backward and you get the answer as 5. Okay. Next you have to subtract the digits in the tens place. Again you see that 5 is smaller than 8. So again we have to regroup the digit in the hundreds place. So take away 100, you have 6 hundreds left and here you have 15 tens. Because you are giving 100 to the tens place. So you have 15 tens now. Now 15 minus 8 is again, count backward from 15. Yes, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7. So the answer is 7. And now what is 6 minus 2? Take away 2 from 6, you get the answer as 4. So that's easy, isn't it, children? So in this way, we have to subtract 3-digit numbers with regrouping of tens and hundreds. So practice more problems, children.
Now let us subtract 430 minus 137. First, we will start from the ones place. We have to subtract 7 from 0. Is it possible? No. So, you have to regroup the number 3 in the tens place. So, when you take away 1 10 from 3, you have 2 tens left and 0 becomes 10. Okay. Now, 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Now, let us subtract the digits in the tens place. But before that, you can see that 2 is smaller than 3. Again, we have to regroup the digit in the hundreds place now. Now, take away 100 from 4 hundreds and you get 3 hundreds left. Now, 100 is carried over to the tens place and you get 12 tens now. Now, 12 minus 3 tens is equal to 9 tens. Okay. Now, let us subtract the digits in the hundreds place. Now, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, you got the answer as 293. So, 430 minus 137 is equal to 293. Now, let us do a word problem in subtraction of 3-digit numbers. In a cinema theatre, there are 545 seats. On Sunday, 456 people went to see picture in the theatre. How many seats were vacant? So first, let us write down the steps. So the number of seats in the theatre is equal to 545. And number of people in the theatre to see the picture is equal to 456. So, to find the number of seats vacant, we have to subtract 456 from 545. Now, let us do the subtraction. 545 minus 456. We shall start from the ones place. We can see that 5 is smaller than 6 and so we have to regroup the digit 4 in the tens place. Now, when you take away 1 10, there are 3 tens left and in the ones place we have 10 plus 5, 15 ones. So now you can subtract 15 minus 6 ones which is equal to 9 ones, isn't it? Okay, now let us subtract the numbers or the digits in the tens place. Now you can see that there are only 3 tens and you have to subtract 5 tens from that. So is it possible? No. Again we have to regroup the number in the hundreds place. Now when you take away 100 from 500s, there are 400s left and now in the tens place we have 13 tens. Now 13 tens minus 5 tens will give you 8 tens. Now in the last, let us subtract the digits in the hundreds place. So you subtract 4 hundreds minus 4 hundreds and that will give you 0 hundreds. So we can see that the answer is 89. So the number of seats vacant in the theatre is 89. Okay children, I hope you have understood how to subtract 3-digit numbers with regrouping of hundreds and tens. Okay, practice more problems children and it will be easy for you.
So children, I hope you have understood how to subtract 3-digit numbers with regrouping of tens and hundreds. Practice more problems children, then only you can do problems very easily. So So go through the YouTube video attached in this session, write down the notes and do the text exercises also. Okay? See you next time. Until then, goodbye.